Hello and welcome everybody. MMAT stock on 13 January. Let's start with the steps in this video about the price prediction and technical analysis. This can be important for a lot of traders. That can be very well to be explained, and we wanted to know whether this is going to be important thing for traders or not. Okay. However, let's start with step by step about the in this video. Oh, okay. However, we can see the right trackment here, and then we can see that the price on the right trackment from the start here. Okay, so we can see the extension would be up to what we want to be in meta materials stock. Okay, can be called MMAT, so that is going to be a good company, and it can maybe related to MMTLB stock itself. Okay, I think it's going to be on another side. It's going to be like this. Okay, because that is going to be another right trackment. It can be in our consideration here. Okay, so we can go for the two trend lines. One of them is horizontal and another one is going to be the slope form. So when we can see the slope form is going to be making a such two resistances or more on a same slope line, it can make an intersection of three things: the slope line, the waves, and the trend line, which is going to be in horizontal form, so that going to make a start of a new wave, and that helped this MMAT on low value, which when it was on 50 cents, to increase with a spike since it was on 30 November. Okay, that is absolutely a thing that is very good to know about when we have to know the price for everything in this stock. Okay, so that is going to be very good indication for those two trend lines. Since we have those two things, we can see the explanation can be easy to be in this form, because that is going to be about MMAT movements. Like, I think that is going to be a thing that is that are going to be a condition in another forms, so we can see the MMAT can do the movements in this form. Since it made this red candles in the red line, on the red line it made the decrease. So this is absolutely the true thing that we want to know about this stock on 13 January. Okay, however, we can continue our progress explanation about this stock for every time we want to have its journey about it. So you can see that the price would be after it had increased with the spike. Okay, so then since it went to half Fibonacci level, 0.5 Fibonacci level on a value of 7 USD and the 59 cents, it has now right on a value of 1 Fibonacci level 14, and it has its part here, so I think it can be higher than this, but I can consider that that is going to be the value of the 1 Fibonacci level at least, to know and focus how can the system going on. So since we can go for 0.5 Fibonacci level, this can be going on 50 percentage increase and 50 percentage decrease. So that is absolutely the thing is that what we wanted to focus on. Okay, and then it could be stretched here on this form. Okay, and then we wanted to know that the price would be then done with another spike, but why we had this decrease? Okay, after we had this spike until 0.5 and didn't go up like what happened on the second case. That is because since we see here a lot of red candles and this trend line prevented this wave to go through it and to make such a continuous increase until it can reach one Fibonacci level. In the first case, it went to do the decrease in momentum until it reaches this level. Okay, however, this is not going to be an accurate trend line, red trend line, to be in its original Fibonacci level. So we can see this rebounding part and then increases until it reaches to the same level, and then the thing is that is going to be also additional to what we wanted to explain. The gap between this level and this level is going to be about the absence of of waves, and there were no trading parties here. Okay, there is no values that can be considered to be in this form, or no one could trade in this part from from 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci level. So then it went to the one Fibonacci level again and then decreased. Okay, that is absolutely a thing that we wanted to think about when we can go for the start of one Fibonacci level to reach an interaction to zero Fibonacci level. So we can have this level one Fibonacci level maybe in this part, because if we thought carefully, that is going to be the absolutely one Fibonacci level. But if we wanted to for a huge spikes, it can extend for 1.618 and 2.618. Okay, so we can consider the Fibonacci level would start from 7 USD, and its half can be about 3 USD and 50. Okay, that is the thing that is absolutely innocent to every trader to know why we have this kind of stock movements. That is the reason for what we have explained in this, in order to know the price prediction and analysis that can be taken in consideration during this movement. And that is absolutely a thing that we wanted to put in our journey. Okay, about the thing that we have to know, since it started from the increase on 1 December 2020, and then it ended its increase on, okay, however, on 18 June 2021, and it can have its end of its decrease on 1 October 2022. And here is going to be the price that we wanted to mention or to see, or the price that can be a price prediction. And good luck on another episode about this MMAT or metamaterials stock.